Hi guys, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good, and in today's video I want to share my subtle day out makeup routine, and it turned out to be stunning guys. I have already prepped my face, so let's dive right in. So the first thing I'm going to do is take a foundation. I'm just going to take 2 drops and apply it all on my face. I usually dot the foundation guys because that is the best way to spread it on your face and get the best coverage out of it. The shade here is gonna be the almond shade. This is Almond Glow guys, which helps in giving you a good coverage. I won't say that it is a high coverage foundation, but this is a buildable one, and today I'm not gonna go with a high coverage guys. Just a little bit of this is gonna be good. I want my skin to see through, and I'm just gonna blend it out with a brush. Now the reason why I do not prefer using a sponge is guys because sponge absorb a lot of product and it doesn't give me the kind of coverage I want. So yeah, I just go with the brush. After that, I'm going to take this E.L.F CAMO concealer, and I'm making sure that I'm giving all the shades name and the screen for you all, and I'm going to apply it under my eyes or wherever I can see a bit of pigmentation. It is a high coverage concealer guys, and I am absolutely in love with this. Can you look at that coverage? It blends like magic in the skin. It helps in fading away the pigmentation I have on the skin, and I just love how beautifully it helps in highlighting the face. Again, throughout the tutorial guys, I'm going to be using brush because I love using brushes. They do not absorb anything and they work like magic, so I love blending out with the brush guys. Also, this concealer blends like a dream. You can see I went a little light with the foundation, but with the concealer I went full on because it has amazing coverage guys. It helps me with those dark circles. Yes, there are times when I have like more bad dark circles, then I go with 2 shades from the same brand and I mix it up. I have shown it in my other tutorials as well. So once I get done with blending it all out, I'm going to use this Maybelline Fit Me Loose finishing powder, and I use the shade medium deep, and I'm just gonna apply it under my eyes because I have used a glow serum foundation. I want to get that glow guys. I do not want to fade it away. So yes, I am just gonna set under my eyes, over my eyes of course, because I make sure that I apply the concealer on my upper lids as well, and they crease too. So yes, using a finishing powder is gonna be a good idea. After that guys, I'm gonna take this Kiro blush. Now I am obsessed with this duo blush guys. I love the pigmentation, I love the shade. It goes beautifully on my complexion. There are more shades available in this one. I'll make sure that I get my hands on those because I love Kiro products guys. So I love this blush. Can you look at that flush of colors on the face? I just love it. After that, I'm gonna line my lips using this lip contour pencil. Now if you want to get that bigger lips, which I love myself guys, it is gonna change the whole lip game for you. After that, I have this beautiful shade from Kiro Beauty again, and this is gonna be ginger tea. I am in love with this shade guys. With all the other brands you can browse through, you're not gonna find this very beautiful nude shade. It is not brown, it's not pink, but it just helps in hydrating the face and it stay intact throughout the day guys, and I love this. After that, we are going to be moving on eyes guys, and for this I will be using this Kiro eyeshadow stick and the shade Copper, and I'm going to apply it all over my lids. I'm working it through. You can look at the pigmentation. It is mind-blowing guys. It has a bit of shimmer which just gives it an extra edge. It glides like butter on the lids. You can apply it wherever you want, and then I am just gonna blur the edges. I'm gonna blend the edges, and it turned out to be beautiful guys. In the same pencil you're gonna get 3 more shade. I have 1 more shade, and I love this guys. Can you look at the eyes? Wow, I love the pigmentation. After that, I have this eyeliner pencil in the shade Earth Brown. Now using a brown kajal and eyeliner is like a trend, and the pigmentation is bomb guys. So I'm just gonna line my upper lid like a liner. Yes, taping the edges help me in getting that perfect line, so when I remove it you guys will know why I used a tape. And I'm just gonna line them up just in the corner guys. I'm not gonna go in the middle. It just helps in uplifting the eyes, and it just blends out beautifully. So yes, it is highly pigmented guys. I'll make sure that I give the products links in the description box below guys. Now I'm gonna line my lower lashes. It will turn out to be beautiful guys. I am in love with Kiro products. I'm not saying it just for promoting the brand. but because I have used it, I am sharing my real experience with you all. Just make sure that you give it a try, and there is not going to be any going back. They have this beautiful makeup product which has skincare properties infused in it. There are no harmful chemicals. The brand is vegan, guys, and whatnot. I'm gonna get so many more shades in this one. So after that, I'm just gonna curl my lashes, apply the mascara, and we have almost come to the end of this video, guys. I loved how this look turned out to be. There is not so much of hassle. You can get done with this in 5 to 10 minutes, and we are going to finish off with some highlighter, and just apply it on your high points. Little bit of this is going to be enough. I do not need too much of highlighter. Just a little glow on the face makes it look super natural and very pretty. And I'm done here, guys. I loved how this turned out to be. I hope you like the tutorial. Make sure that for the products links, you check out the description box. I'll see you guys super soon with another one. Till then, take care, guys. I love you all so much.